Hello, today I'm going to have a look at one of our newish products, the Chart Keeper. It's by Knit Pro and there's 3 different designs. This one is the Passion design and you can see it's got a nice cover all the way around it with a beautiful picture. And it's got this band that holds it together. The idea of a Chart Keeper is to help keep your patterns together. If you open it up inside, it opens up to just over an A4 page size. Fits quite well inside, but it's just that little bit smaller than an A4 in total. But the idea is in here, you've got a pocket, it's got a pen in it, so you're able to write, and it comes with the pen. You've got a little zip pocket in here. You can put your little accessories, maybe some stitch markers or some scissors, or rubber, or a few other bits and pieces you need, plus a spot for another pen or even a stylus if you wanted to use an iPad. It comes here with the magnetic strip, and underneath you'll see there's 3 magnetic discs or blocks. So the idea is the magnetic, it sticks to here, the actual cover, and it sticks to each of the blocks. So the way you can use it to keep where you're going on your patterns, and they're very magnetic and very strong. So these go into 3. So you bring your pattern along, put your pattern in the book, mark it where you're up to. So here I'm going to be doing row 1. That's all I need. I don't actually need these bits. Doing row 1, you can tick it off as you go, move it down to where you're up to. But more importantly, oops, I've got to leave. I can close it up with that in there. It saves my place. Pack it up and off I go. So I've got my pattern protected. It's not going to get damaged in my bag. I know exactly where I'm up to in here because it has kept my spot being magnetic. If you have a couple of different spots where you've got something that's slightly thicker, say a book, you can put these at the back. So in between the pages, it does go through this complete thickness here. So I can put it down here, or even if you're down the bottom and you want another marker spot down here, put them across there and go, okay, I'm up to there. It will stick there as well. So in a book, just put it on the other pages and it will hold your page for you, and off you go. But if you're like me and like to use an iPad to follow your patterns, you can still put that into your Chart Keeper as well. Keep it nice and safe and secure. You can put a stylus in where the pen normally goes, and there's your iPad. You've got that ready to go. The other benefit of this is that you can stick it up like that. Now what it's become is a nice board for you to lean your pattern up against. Well, great for all patterns, particularly good for mosaic.